All right, so let's get started. Today is June 23rd, 2025. It's a Monday, and I wanted to share with you a couple of trades I made today in gold. So you see here, I do have gold GC in the size of the Renko chart I'm using is, let's see here. 4, 10, 20. So this is a tick trend of 4, open offset of 10, and tick reversal of 20. Okay, so that means that I'm using a 22 size or tick reversal loss if or a stop loss in case that it goes against me. So you see here that I have the 30-minute chart in my in the left of the screen, where you see in the overnight there is a range bound here. So the idea and the range bound was selected by choosing that that top and that top over there in this lower candles or wicks in the bottom of the screen right here. So with that you form this. Oh, there's a little bit of movement in gold now as we speak, but let it go. So we are it's 12:18. So a little bit of this is lunchtime. So a little bit of movement here, but I'm not paying attention to the market at this time. Anyways, let's continue with this. So in the 30 minutes, we do have this box here, and then you have. Let me put that one again right there, and then you have a same distance from here to that there, and from here to this low here. So what the market did was to bounce around here and then made a move to the upside in this direction, leaving the box right there. In the entry chart, which is the Renko chart here, see that's the little move that I'm saying, that I was saying, that it's leaving the compression there. So one thing that I before I go, sorry for the confusion, but before I go in there. My reading for the market today in the morning was that we were going to be in compression. So it came back down and started to move up. So now I would say that it's heading north, meaning that it's bullish, or it's turning bullish, and still we do have this big wave of rejection right there that the market at any point can come back and move to the other side. Anyways, I put compression here. Still, the moving averages are not all aligned to the upside, and if they align or started to get more in alignment, then I would consider this one to be in expansion to the upside. But at this point, I would still consider that this is in compression. Anyways, in the entry chart, we do have a move to the downside here, and then it start to making lower highs right there, and then lower lows as well, right? So made a big move here before the market opened, then the market opened, and then it started to move, lower highs and lower low until it reached that bottom right there. Okay, so then I saw this well-defined resistance right here. So we formed by these pivots, that 1, 1, 2, and 3, and then I put a resting order right above that one there. Okay, and if you see here, that's let me expand it a little bit. So you can see it better. So that is right above that line there. Oh, what is going on? right above that line there. Then I put the entry right there, which is also the upper side of the 15-minute opening range. So I open it right there, the trade, and I started to trace it. And then, since I have this upper line right here, or upper box, or the upper side of the box right there, I got a little bit skeptical that it was going to come back up. It could have gone to the other side and start bouncing back down, even though the momentum right here was still up and moving to the upside. But at that point, I didn't know. I was thinking that it was going to move to the downside right there. Anyways, I did exit that trade, and the profit on that one was $230. Let me see. Let's put it right here to there. $220 right there. Okay, so that's one trade, $220 from that point, which is the you can call it this one a trend reversal breakout, right? So the trend reversal breakout, you have lower highs and lower lows, then you have a higher high, or a higher high, and then a lower high, and then you have the break. So that's the trend reversal breakout. And now the other entry that we have here is a continuation break, which happens right there. And let me show you that entry. So I took it right there. Let me put this, and this is for 400. It's a little bit better. That one is for $480. 470, 400, right there. It was a $480 anyways. Yeah, okay. So in here, I'm risking that box here. I'm risking this to make that there, right? So it's a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, and this is a continuation. You see that I do have here the 21 EMA. It was bouncing off of the 21 EMA, and it was doing an up-down move right there. So you get, that is what I call the up-down, and then it broke to the upside. And I put the entry right above these candles that were wiggling around up, down, up, down. Okay, so that is 480, and that's I cannot put 180. I don't know why. Anyways, $180. So that one there, but that's the 220 that I made on this trade right here. Okay, so continuation and trend reversal breakout. I think that the market in gold is going to keep moving up. What I'm expecting though is that let's move this one a little bit here. I'm waiting for it to confirm, moving away from, so you have this box, and then you have, where is it? This box here, right? So if it's able to move away from this one, it's going to become really, really bullish. What happens now is that you are facing. I'm looking at this week, right there, and that could be a reversal zone formed by this box right there. So I'm not entering anything yet, and I will keep watching, and I will keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, use the Renko promo code in Apex, so in that way you don't have to risk your own money to trade. All right, thank you so much, and see you next time.